of the Nexsus Association of Realtors, committed to the best interest of the public and to the welfare of your members. The secret of living is the art of giving. And so, to you this year comes the privilege of giving and learning that lasting happiness that comes through the investment of your time and your unselfish interest in the lives of others. So, amongst you is Robert Hanson, the 2025 President-elect, Carlo Viculano, 2025 President, David Worsh Jr., 2025 immediate past President, Anthony Baldoni, Director, Michael Bertelli, Director, Deanna Fahey Brown, Director, Juanita Brown, Director, Mark Puccini, Director, Corinne Geiger, Director, Claudia Jones, Director, Yodi Langen, Director, Mary Nuziali, Director, Darren Sauter, Director, Kiana West, Director. Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that you will administer the oath to which you have been elected to the best of your ability and judgment, in conformity with the Constitution and bylaws of the Nexus Association of Realtors, the New Jersey Realtors, the National Association of Realtors, that you will adhere to and enforce the code of ethics of the Realtor organization, that you will uphold and enforce the provisions of the New Jersey State License Law and the rules and regulations of the New Jersey Real Estate Commission, that you will, in all your acts, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, fair play, and in every manner possible, endeavor to promote and safeguard the best interest of your citizens of your state, the high purposes of your association, and the welfare of your membership. You so subscribe. Now you say I do. I do. You can lower your hands. By the virtue of the authority conferred upon me by the New Jersey Realtors, I do hereby proclaim each of you duly elected and officially installed as officers and directors of the Nexus Association of Realtors. Congratulations, every single one of you. What a great day.